Hey guys, it's Chaz with Nashville Pop, and today we're talking about music videos, how you can move the needle without having to break the bank. Back in the day, music videos were widescreen. They had all this slow-mo, all these grand gestures, these huge locations and props. Today, not so much. Most indie artists are working on a very small or even no budget at all. So today I wanted to break down how to make a quality performance style music video, whether or not you're working on your next project or you're trying to shoot one on your own. The key to a quality performance music video is the performance. And that's all you need to do is perform your song. The key is to have a very cool or interesting location that matches the theme of the song you're singing. For instance, if your song is about big trucks, maybe you're singing alongside some big trucks or riding in a big truck. Very simple, but still singing and performing. I personally love to stick with one location because that's all you really need. One spot that can capture the idea and the vibe of what you're going for. Now, you can use local spots or public spots or even rent a space if you want. The great part about simplifying your music video into one location is that you can spend more of your budget and allocate more of your resources towards making that scene the best it can be. Take a look back at some of your favorite music videos and you'll be surprised that a lot of them are in just one spot with just a lot of things going on. So when it comes to shooting the actual video, you're gonna need two things, a camera and a sound system. Now for the camera, you can use your iPhone, or if you have a nicer camera on a gimbal, you can use that. For the sound system, you can use anything that plays the music loud enough for your artist to hear. If you have a full band, you're gonna want an actual PA system, but if it's just the artist and you're out in a field, you could get away with like one of those little Bluetooth wireless speakers. Now, when it comes to getting the actual shots and how many shots do you wanna do, I actually have a quick little formula for that I've made over the last few years that breaks it down into 5 simple shots. The 5 shots are going to be illustrated in these pictures right here. For shot number 1, you're going to be focused on the wide shot. Now on the wide shot, you can go anywhere from left to right or forward and back, but you don't want to move too much and you want to keep the motion calm, smooth, and connected. Shots number 2 and 3 are essentially the same, but they're mirrored. What you're going to do is you're going to break down into sections 1 and 2, and you're just going to move from left and right in a slow and steady way. Once you have shot 2, you're gonna mirror that with shot 3 on the other side. Shot 4 is the close-up. Now, if your artist is just singing, this is the shot where you can focus on their hands, you can focus on the close-ups of their mouth, their eyes, their hair. If their body's doing an interesting motion, maybe you can capture that. If your artist is playing an instrument, this would be the shot for that. You can focus on the guitar, you can focus on the fretboard, the hand, the finger picking, the strumming, basically anything that seems interesting as an instrument shot. After you've gathered your 4 anchor shots, your 5th shot is what I like to call the floater. That's where you can take all those cool ideas that were popping in your head when you're shooting shots 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you can actually grab those shots in the moment. So don't be afraid to try something new, but make sure that your anchor shots are steady on the subject the whole time. Your floater shot is for having fun and for jumping around and grabbing all those cool creative ideas that are gonna come in handy in post-editing. So the last part of making the music video is taking it back to the editing room, syncing it up in a multi-cam sequence, and cutting it together. The good news is that a lot of programs now have an auto sync feature, so as soon as it hears the audio, all the other problems that come with lip syncing are gone. Gone. So that's the quick breakdown of a quality performance music video that will stand the test of time and not break the budget. I'm Chaz with Nashville Pop, and I'll catch you guys later.